whenever I can contribute in a way to a revenue, that only it makes sense to join a company. If you will join a company where they just want to do SEO for the sake of doing SEO, just to maybe grow some numbers, or a vanity metric. So I still feel that years or number of years of experience is still a vanity metric.
If anybody needs to start around technical SEO, what's the first place he needs to go to read, or what's the best way to approach this and understand?
So I always feel that SEO is all about three E's, which is,
I feel, what's your take on content? Because a lot more people talk about ki, hey, we need to have this number of word count. Let's say if the intent and if the article is smaller and it makes the user experience better, should somebody take that risk and then create something?
try if you can get a chance to work with a team in your initial days.
But how do you see the whole Gen AI play, the generative AI play on SEO?
One thing which I feel is it has always helped me right now.
SEO is very niche. So, what do you think are the three important skills that he or she must require?